we're gonna go on a quick test drive. Okay, let's do a quick visual condition report, starting with the fender flare. You do have a transfer mark here. Looks like it scratched the paint. A couple scuffs here. Looking at the wheel, I don't see any curb rash. You do have some wear on the center cap though. You can see some spots kind of fading. Got the wheel locks. Looking at this fender, looks good. We do have some rock chips on this side mirror. A little scuff here. Got some rock chips on this lower section. The rest of that door looks good. We have some scratches here on these pillars. See 2 rock chips right there. Some minor scuffs on the fender flare. The rest of that bedside looks good. Those wheels look nice. Then looking at the front end here, you have a couple rock chips on the hood. One right there, there, and there. All very minor. Then looking at the graphic here, we have a little scratch on it. Got some rock chips on this lower section. And you can see they're kind of peppered throughout this area. You have them just kind of scattered throughout. Otherwise, that front end looks really good. Looking at this wheel, I don't see any curb rash on it. Fender looks good. Fender flare looks nice. Got some rock chips on the side mirror. The doors look good. That fender flare looks good. Don't see anything here on the bedside. Then looking at the tailgate, the Roush graphic looks really nice. I don't see any scuffs or scratches up here. Here on the back bumper, all of that looks really nice as well. You got the Access vinyl cover. Looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. Now we have a little scratch right here on this door panel. The rest of it looks good. Got the Roush WeatherTech mats. Got the pedal covers. Looking at this seat, you do have some rips right here. This bolster looks really good. That upper section looks nice. I don't see any other flaws here. We have a little scuff there. Steering wheel looks good. Everything else in here looks really nice. Looking at this door panel, looks perfect. I don't see any flaws. Got a little scuff right here. The rest of that seat looks good. Looking at this door panel, overall looks awesome. Got the all-weather mats back here. A little scuff there on the seat. The rest of that seat looks good. Got a few indentions on this, maybe from a car seat sitting on it. And these seats are heated. Everything else back here looks awesome. Looking at this door panel, you do have some scratches here on the lower section. A couple scuffs there. Kick plate area looks good. Got the Roush logo here on those WeatherTech mats. You got the Roush leather seats. Got a little transfer mark here with some blue. The bolster itself looks amazing, as well as this side. Center console looks good over here. All of this looks amazing, very clean on this side. Looking at the engine bay, overall looks really good.